food chains and food webs. Food chains and food webs. Here we have to know some words like producer. So what is producer? An organism that makes its own food is called as producer. Here plants are called as producers. Then what is consumer? An organism that has to eat to get energy is called as consumer. Then there are certain types of consumers. First one is herbivore. An organism that only eats plants is called as herbivore. Example, zebra. Then carnivore. An organism that only eats meat is called as carnivore. Example is cheetah or tiger. Then omnivore. An organism that eats meat and plants is called as omnivore. Then let us see food chain. Here you can see a food chain in which grass is producer because it makes its own food by photosynthesis. Here it uses sunlight to create energy. So grass is the producer here. Then here are primary consumers, which are rabbits, because rabbits eat plants for getting energy. So rabbits are primary consumers. Then secondary consumer is eagle, because eagle eats primary consumers for energy. So eagle is the secondary consumer. Then what are decomposers? Here decomposers break down dead plants and animals. Bacteria and fungi are two examples. It reduces dead organisms to simpler forms of matter, returns them to the soil. So these are the decomposers. Then what are predator? A living thing that hunts other living things for food is called as predator. Example, lion. Then what is prey? A living thing that is hunted for food is called as prey. Example, rabbit. Then what are scavengers? An animal that feeds on the remains of dead animals is called as scavenger. Example is vulture. Now let us see food chain. Here food chain shows how each living thing gets food. It always begins with the producer. Arrows show the flow of energy from one organism to another. Then what is food web? It is a collection of food chains interconnected from the same ecosystem. Arrows show the flow of energy from one organism to another. Multiple consumers and producers are present in a food web. Then what is energy pyramid? This energy pyramid shows the amounts of energy available at each trophic level of an ecosystem. The higher in the pyramid, the less energy available. The higher in the pyramid, the less energy is available. Now let us see some of the questions. Here first question is, a lion is a dash dash because it eats only meat. So what will be in the blank? We have to fill in the blank. Here question is, a lion is a dash dash because it eats only meat. So what is lion? Carnivore, herbivore or omnivore? What is the answer? Definitely carnivore. Correct. So let's get back to next question. Second is, a dash dash is a producer. Then who is producer? Cheetah, plant or grasshopper? What will be the answer? The correct answer is plant. So plant is the correct answer. Then next question is, you have to tell whether the statement is true or false. Here a food web can have multiple consumers and producers. Is it true or false? Definitely it is true. Okay. Next question is, which animal would fit in the blank of this food chain? The options are hawk, zebra, mouse and butterfly. So what will be the answer? Definitely the answer will be mouse. So mouse is the correct answer. Now let's get back to the next question. So the final question is, the plant gets its energy from the dash dash. What will be the answer? Root, stem, sun or flowers? What will be the correct answer here? Tell me. The correct answer will be sun. So sun is the correct answer here.